Hi, my name is Eric, and I am the owner of carpettiletape.com. And today I am going to show you how to install carpet tiles using carpet tile tape. And you can get this carpet tile tape at carpettiletape.com. It works on any backing, and it is double-sided industrial commercial grade, and it's 2 inches by 90 feet. All right, so let's get started. There's 3 items that you're going to need. First is a straight razor. Next is a piece of wood or plastic, something that you don't care about that you can cut your tape on so you don't ruin your floor. And then, of course, your carpet tile tape, which you can get at carpettiletape.com. All right, so here we got laid out 4 carpet tiles on the floor here. First, I'm going to show you how to install floating over the floor so it's not double-sided down. Some people like to do it this way so it's not adhering to their hardwood or their vinyl, but just sticking underneath to each other. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now, these carpet tiles are Mohawk brand. They are thick rubber back, very heavy commercial grade carpet tiles. These are the best on the market. Where you want to put the tape is right between where the 4 pieces connect to each other. So you're going to want to cut a piece of tape about 8 inches, which I'm going to do right now. You want to leave the film part of the tape on, flip it over, and roll it out on the piece of wood or plastic, whatever you're going to cut your tape on. So roll the film piece down on the wood so it doesn't stick. The top part will be the sticky part. So you're going to use your razor knife and cut across and cut your piece. Like I said, about 8 inches or so. And just cut straight across. It is a little bit sticky, so be careful that you don't get it stuck to your fingers. So you just cut it across here. Now you have your strip. Okay, so you got your sticky side. And we're, like I said, we're going to be floating these over the floor. So we're going to leave the film on the bottom and just have the sticky part up. So we're going to peel back the first corner piece and put it about halfway into the piece of tape, both ways, widthways and heightways. So that way 4 pieces will be touching. So we're going to go ahead and adhere it to the bottom of the first piece. We're going to lift the next corner up and place it down on the sticky piece of the tape, the top side. And again, we're going to leave that film on. And it's just going to keep the tiles together so they don't come apart. So here's the second tile. Place it down so it sticks together, keeps these tiles together. So you'll repeat this for all 4 pieces. All right, so you'll go through, lift up the next corner, put that next piece down, lift up, well, actually, you'll lift up both of them, make it easy to put them down. And the sticky side is up, so that's going to keep all 4 tiles together. So that is how you do the floating floor, so it's not adhered to the floor itself. And you're going to want to step on it, put a piece of wood on it to make sure the adhesive is stuck to the tiles to keep them in place. All right, and then you're all set, and that's the first way to go about it as far as installing carpet tiles floating over the floor. And here I'm going to just show you how strong the tape is. That one single 8-inch piece of tape is holding up all 4 rubber back pieces of carpet tile you can see here. And then another test I did is grab some dumbbells. I grabbed a 25-pound dumbbell and then added an additional 25-pound to it. So you can see here it's lifting the 25-pound with the piece of tape, and then also the 50 pounds with a single strip of tape. So this is very durable tape. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, here's option number 2. So if you do want to double side it down to the floor, this is the option for you. What you're going to do first is grab your tape, grab your board and your razor, put 2 pieces next to each other, and go ahead and cut your pieces. You can cut multiple pieces if you'd like, just have them ready for a quicker install, or you can do one by one if you'd like. And then this time we're going to double side it down to the floor. So this time we're going to put the sticky side down onto the floor. So we're going to lift both corners, put the piece underneath, double side it down to the floor. And this is if you want to do it just at the intersections of where the tiles come together. So this is option 1 for the double-sided. There's also an option 2 for double-siding it down as well, which I'll show you after this. So you double-side it down, and then you simply peel back the top layer, put your tiles down on top, and then grab your next 2 tiles and place them in their position. So all 4 pieces of the tile where they connect at the corner is touching the double-sided carpet tape. And then you are all set to go with the rest of your install. So you just want to do that at each of the spots where the 4 corners connect, and you're all set to go. Don't forget to press down with your piece of wood or just step on it. Make sure the carpet tile tape adheres to the backing and to the floor. Now you can see the carpet does not move. It's very, very sticky and adheres to the floor. You can see here I'm pulling on the carpet and it is not coming off. The next double-sided tape option is to adhere it to the floor in a pattern. So all the carpet tiles will still be secure, but you can go ahead and put the tape on the full surface of the room that you're doing and then put your tiles down. So the red in this diagram is the tape where you're going to place the tape at. So if this is a square room, you can see the edge of the room is black. You're going to want to put tape at the perimeter across, all the way across the middle, and then you're going to want to put about 7 strips from the middle diagonal to the corners in strips as well. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you're going to go ahead and do this pattern throughout the full room. So you're gonna roll out your piece. I'm just gonna show you how to do it, but you can go ahead and do it throughout your whole room. So first you're gonna do your border all the way around the border of the room. This is where the edge of the carpet tile is gonna meet the edge of the wall. So you're gonna go ahead and put the adhesive right to the floor, then put pressure on top so the adhesive adheres to the floor, and then peel off the top. Now what you're going to want to do is peel off the top as you go, because you don't want it sticking to your feet as you're installing. So go ahead and do that full pattern that I showed you on the full area of the room without peeling off the top layer, and then start your install process. Peel back the top layer, the film, as you go, and then you can install from there. And that's how you install in a pattern style. And as you go, you can peel off the tape and install your carpet tiles. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Again, you can get the carpet tile tape at carpettiletape.com. And you can see how strong this tape is right here as I'm yanking on it. And I'm going to show you a couple other ways you can see how strong this tape is. Now, if you do need to replace a tile, you can simply peel it back and place a new piece down without putting a new piece of tape on. It will adhere right again to the backing, and it'll be nice and strong for you. And here I'm showing how to replace a tile in the second option, the 8-inch strip option. Just simply peel up and place the new down. It will still stay sticky. Here I'm going to show you real quick how to take up the carpet tiles. Say you don't want them in the area anymore. You can simply remove them. The tape will come up easily. You can use a hairdryer to get it up even easier, but what I like to do is just roll it up with your fingertips, and you can rip up the rest of the tape easily from there, and it will not leave a residue on your current floor surface. You can get the carpet tile tape at carpettiletape.com. Again, this is double-sided commercial grade tape. It works on any backing type. It's extreme strength, easy to install, residue free, moisture resistant, and that is at carpettiletape.com.